Welcome back to Technology Zone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia K4, a stylish replacement for the Forte that's turning heads with its bold design and upgraded tech. This next-gen compact sedan combines a sporty edge with practicality, offering a futuristic look inspired by Kia's EV lineup. Under the hood, the K4 offers a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 147 horsepower for daily driving, while the available 1.6-liter turbocharged option pushes out 190 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for a more thrilling ride. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with dual 12.3-inch displays, a sleek digital layout, and improved materials. Kia has loaded the K4 with its latest safety suite, including lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and smart cruise control. Rear passengers also get more space thanks to the longer wheelbase. What really stands out is the K4's bold exterior, sharp lines, LED lighting, and a fastback-style roofline that gives it a premium, almost coupe-like silhouette. Whether you're commuting or just cruising, the 2025 Kia K4 blends performance, comfort, and high-tech appeal into one sleek package. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive tech.